Hi friends, and happy new year friends, because it is December of December 31 2020. So happy new year to everyone. And in this video I am gonna share with you how to install Windows 7 on your VMware workstation Playa. Okay, so we are going to install Windows 7, the most popular operating system, on our VMware workstation Playa. So here you can install this in two ways. Number one is the ISO image file, and number two is on the installer disks. And I don't have the ISO image file, I have the installer disk. I'll show you how to install it in the installer disk, but you have the ISO image file. You need to just select the ISO image file. Okay, the process is same. So you need to click on the start button and type in VMware Workstation Playa or Workstation Pro, and you need to open it. And then here what you need to have to do is to wait here, and as you can see, this is our workstation Playa, and I'm gonna install it. First there will be three options: create a new virtual machine, open a virtual machine, connect to a remote server. So since we need to create a virtual machine, we need to click on the first option, create a new virtual machine, and this will take some time. And there will be two options here. You need to select typical, next, and since I don't have Windows 7 ISO file, I'll select the installer disk. So as you can see, it is telling me Windows 7 detected. You need to click on next. You'll get this kind of screen here. You can type the username. Okay, I will type the username here, and just a while friends. And now as you can see, we have successfully written our username. You can give whatever username you want. Select next. You can give your virtual machine name Windows 7. I'll give it Pro. You can give whatever name you want, and simply click on next button. Then give the disk space, whatever setting you can want. I will give around 15 gigabytes. I will give it around 15 gigabytes. Okay, and now we need to click on the next button, and then here as you can see, you can customize the hardware here, like changing the RAM, processor core, etc. And I will leave it, I'm gonna change the processor core to 4, and then just click on finish button. This will create a disk, and then you need to connect the disk or else the installation might fail. So during the installation you need to connect your installer disk to CD reader. I don't have internal CD reader, so use external CD reader to install Windows 7. This is gonna take some while, so we will just wait. Okay, yeah. And as you can see friends, the disk has created successfully here, and you need to press and hold the enter button, and this will take some time because it is installing from disk. It is telling Windows is loading files. So when the VMware logo comes, you need to press and hold enter button and the left primary mouse button at the same time. Then you can then the setup file will load, and this is loading our files. Your CD may do a sound because it will spin faster, and it will expand files, copy the files. That's why it will take some very long time. If the video becomes too long, if the video becomes too long, I'll skip the video. Okay, now as you can see, successfully Windows is loaded. Okay, so Windows is loading files. This operation is now successfully created, and as you can see, it's showing starting Windows. And I really like this boot animation friends. Really, when I was in age of 9 or 8, I really like this boot animation. And as you can see friends, the Windows 7 setup screen is now loading. Okay, yeah. And as you can see, this is our Windows 7 setup screen. it is different. That's why I made a video for you. And as you can see, it's saying setup is starting. And what you're gonna have to do is to wait here. This will take a very long time because it is installing from the CD. It wants to spin. That's why this will take some time depending on the speed. And as you can see, it is asking me select the operating system that you want to install. So there is many versions: Windows 7 starter, Windows 7 home basic, home premium. I have already installed home premium. I will install the professional version of Windows 7. There is also Windows 7 Ultimate Edition as well. So if you need, you can select whichever version you want. I'll select professional version and then click on the next. And as you can see, this will take a very long time, friends. As you can see, it is still 0%. I'll skip the video now because the video will become so long. Okay, yeah, it will expand the files. While expanding, your CD may do a sound. You can hear it. I can also hear here on my computer. And I'll skip the video now, friends. Okay, yeah. And now, as you can see, friends, it is asking me to restart. I'll simply click on the restart now button, and then we will continue to the next step. Now this will do a lot of stuff while restarting, so we have to wait some time here, friends. Okay, yeah, it took a very long time, friends. Really, I didn't and it took around for 15 minutes, really, depending on the CD speed. So mine is very old, so it took a very long time. And now we will do nothing here. So we will just wait. It is telling setup is updating registry settings. It is doing a lot of stuff. It is completing now the installation. Okay. Now when it completes the installation, everything will complete. Your Windows 7 will set up, and this will take a while. Okay, you need to wait. So let us wait here. And as you can see, friends, it has successfully installed my disk. Now as you can, my disk suddenly stopped. It stopped spinning, means that the installation is now completely successfully installed. Now your computer will restart again, then you can enjoy Windows 7. And as you can see, friends, this will also take a while depending on the hardware configuration. Okay, yeah. And it took a really long time. I didn't skip the video. So yeah, friends, this will also depend on the hardware configuration. I'm telling again, this will depend on the hardware configuration. And I think it will take some time, so I will skip the video now, friends. Oh, it is telling me setup will continue after restarting your computer. So I will not skip the I will not skip the video now because it has successfully installed Windows 7 now. I will show you next what to do. Okay, I will not skip the video now, friends. I will not skip the video. I was thinking this will take some time, but it didn't take a long time, and it is checking video performance and blah blah. It will check a lot of things here. Since this is a older operating system, this will take some time. So as you can see, friends, we have successfully installed the Windows 7 on our VMware Workstation player. Ooh, yay! The installation will take around 30 minutes. This will take an half an hour, but still, and the speed will be very fast. And as you can see, friends, we have installed the Windows 7 on our VMware Workstation player. You'll get this kind of screen here. You should select the public network, and I'll close this for now. And next, what you need to have to do is to right click on your Windows 7 virtual machine and install a VMware tools. Okay, if the VMware tools is grayed out, I will show you what to do. You need to shut down the virtual machine and you need to edit some virtual machine settings. Okay, so to install the VMware tools, I will show you what to do. And as you can see, you need to click on edit virtual machine settings. There will be a floppy disk here. There will be a floppy disk, and click on it. There will be two options here below, add and remove. You need to click on the remove button and then click on the OK button, and let's check now. And the operating system should boot. Then we can install the VMware tools on this virtual machine. Let's see. It is booting. And booting process is slow. Windows 10 compared to any other operating system. And as you can see, we have back to our operating system. Now you need to right click, and as you can see, now we can install our VMware tools. Now I cannot install the VMware tools because I don't have Service Pack 1 installed on this operating system. I need to install it first. So if you have installed Service Pack 1, you need to click on the File Explorer icon, click on Computer, and as you can see, double click on it. I cannot install now. It is telling me setup cannot continue. This program requires that you update the installed OS to SP1. SP1 means Service Pack 1 in this virtual machine. Okay, so since I cannot install VMware tools, if you have Service Pack 1, then you can install the Windows 7 on your computer. So this is the method of how you can install Windows 7 on your VMware Workstation player. So thanks for watching, guys. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.